Hello everyone. Welcome to another English learning video. Today I will tell you a very emotional story. It is about an old letter found in a library. Listen carefully. Pause after each sentence and repeat after me. This practice is called shadowing. It will make your English speaking stronger. Are you ready? Let's begin.
My name is Hannah. I am 20 years old. I study literature at university. Books are my best friends. I spend more time in the library than anywhere else. One rainy afternoon, I went to the city library. The sky was grey. Raindrops tapped on my umbrella. The streets were almost empty. The library looked quiet and mysterious. The building was very old. The shelves were tall and dusty. The floor made little noises when I walked. I walked slowly between the rows of books. My hand touched the spines one by one. Most of them looked forgotten. Then one book caught my eye. It was large, dark green, and covered with dust. No one had opened it for many years. I pulled it out carefully. The cover felt rough. The pages were yellow. It was a collection of poems. I opened it in the middle. Something slipped out and fell to the floor. It was a yellow envelope, hidden between the pages. The paper was fragile. It was closed with red wax. On the front, there was only one word: Margaret. And the date 50 years ago. My heart started to beat faster. Why was this letter inside a book? Who was Margaret? I didn't know what to do. Should I open it? Or should I give it to the librarian? Curiosity filled my mind. But respect stopped my hands. It was not my letter. It belonged to someone else. I decided to show the librarian. She was an old woman with kind eyes. Her hair was silver. Her smile was always warm. She knew every corner of the library. I trusted her. I gave her the envelope. When she read the name on it, she froze. Her lips started to tremble. Her eyes grew wide. This is my name," she whispered. For a moment, the whole library felt silent. Only the rain outside continued to fall. I could hear my own heartbeat. With shaking hands, she broke the wax seal. She unfolded the letter slowly. Her fingers brushed the paper like it was gold. Then she began to read aloud. "Dearest Margaret, when you read this, I may already be gone. Tomorrow I leave for the war. I am not afraid of death, but I am afraid of losing you. You are my first and last love. If I never return, remember me. Yours forever, Thomas." Her voice broke. Her eyes filled with tears. Her shoulders shook. She pressed the letter to her chest. "Thomas," she whispered. "He was my first love. We grew up together. He promised to marry me. But the war took him away. He never came back from the war. and I never received his goodbye. Her tears fell onto the paper. She closed her eyes and held the letter close to her heart. I stood there quietly. I felt tears in my eyes too. It was not just a letter. It was a piece of the past. It was a love story, hidden for 50 years. A voice from the past had finally reached her. The librarian looked at me and smiled sadly. "Thank you, Hannah," she said softly. "You brought back a piece of my heart." We sat together for a while. She told me about Thomas, how he loved books and poetry, how he always carried a small notebook, how he used to meet her right here in the library. She showed me an old photograph she kept in her desk. It was a picture of a young man in uniform. His smile was bright. His eyes looked full of dreams. "This was Thomas," she whispered. I felt honored to witness her memory. I realized how powerful words can be. One letter carried love across half a century. One message could open old wounds, but also heal them. That day, I learned something important. True love never disappears. Even after 50 years, it still lives in a single letter.
Now let's practice together. Read the story again slowly. Repeat each sentence after me. This will make your English stronger and more confident. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English learning video.